Hello everyone and welcome to the Quantphilic and Quantfinalisma as well. So today in this video we'll be dealing with profit and loss. Let's start then. So join this Telegram group to get all these PDFs. Okay. So this is dishonest sellers. So today we'll be dealing with the topic dishonest sellers. Okay. Just let me tell you a little bit basics of what the method is. So I'll be following multiplying factor method over here. Okay. This is a very important topic. Last year a direct question from CAT in CAT came from this topic. Okay, and there is a dedicated video for this on my channel as well that has the most views, around 4,000 views. Okay, so that video you should watch. Okay, that is a very important topic. Okay, I am giving a little bit of gist of that. Okay, suppose that shopkeeper is providing 10% discount. Okay, suppose that you are shopkeeper. Okay, so if you provide someone discount, that's actually a loss for you. Loss for you means what? Loss for you means multiplying factor will be less than 1. Okay, so suppose that if you provide 10% discount, okay, so the actual item cost is 10, but you are selling at what? You are selling at 9. Okay, now suppose that you are marking up by 10%. Okay, so it is actually of 10, but you are giving it at 11. Okay, so marking up is a profit for you. So this is how the multiplying factor is made. So here marking up, this is loss. Okay, and now suppose that x is some other factor and overall you are getting 10% profit, so this will be 1.1. Okay, so from here we can find out the value of x. Okay, so this is what it is. Okay, so if I sum up this, in case of a loss, multiplying factor is less than 1. In case of a profit, multiplying factor is greater than 1. Okay, so this is what it is. Let's deal this with a question. So the question is, in summers, the meter scale of cloth merchant expands by 25%. Okay, so clothes can expand by 25%. Okay, this is a very confusing question. Okay, so pictorially I will explain. You will get it better then. By what percentage should he mark up the clothes so that after giving a 10% discount on the listed price, the merchant still makes a profit of this much? Okay, so क्वेश्चन के लैंग्वेज से यू मस्ट इतना तो क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए कि दैट 25% expansion of scale is actually a loss for him. Okay, I'll explain you how. Let's see. So ये suppose 1 मीटर का स्केल है, राइट? 1 मीटर का स्केल है सपोज. अब what has happened is that summers came. Okay, so in summer this scale got expanded. Okay, so initially it was 1 meter, now it got expanded to 1.25 meter. Okay, सो कैलिब्रेशंस जो होंगे, सपोज दैट ये एक 0.5 पे था, एक 1 पे था. यहाँ 0.5 था और यहाँ पे 1 था, यहाँ 0 था. ओके, कैलिब्रेशन ऑन स्केल. ओके, अब वो क्या हुआ, अब जो 0.5 यहाँ था अब वो शिफ्ट होकर यहाँ आ गया. ओके, एंड ये 0 एंड ये 1. ओके, तो सी लाइक अब सपोज जो मर्चेंट है, द मर्चेंट इज गिविंग, लाइक सपोज के पास ये क्लोथ है. ओके, क्लोथ है, ही विल ब्रिंग द स्केल एंड ही विल मेजर इट एंड ही विल कट द क्लोथ एंड ही विल गिव टू यू. ओके, सो इनिशियली जब वो स्केल लाके कट करता था तो 1 मीटर मेजर करके 1 मीटर देता था. ओके, एक्चुअली अब क्या हो गया है, ये स्केल एक्सपैंड होकर बड़ा हो गया. ठीक है, तो उसे ज़्यादा क्लोथ देना पड़ रहा है. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एक्सपेंशन प्रोसेस. सो सिंस दिस हैज एक्सपैंडेड, सो उसे ज़्यादा क्लोथ देना पड़ रहा है, ड्यू टू विच इट इज़ एक्चुअली अ लॉस फॉर हिम, राइट? बिकॉज वो पैसा तो उतना ही लेगा, पैसा 1 मीटर का ही लेगा, बट वो देगा 1.25 क्लॉथ. ओके, सो दिस इज़ वॉट इज़ हैपनिंग. So now if I try to like solve this, so this 25% expansion is a loss for him, right? Just a second. So 25% expansion is a loss for him. So cloth, he'll take the price of 1, but he will give 1.25 cloth. Okay, 25% extra cloth he will give. Okay, now further 10% discount is also a loss for him. So 10% means what? As I told you in the previous slide, 10% is this 9 by 10, so 0.9. So I have written 0.9. Okay, so if I write into multiplying factor terms, 9 by 10 into 1 by 1.25. Okay, प्राइस वो 1 का लेगा लेकिन क्लोथ देगा एक्स्ट्रा, तो मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर लेस देन 1, मल्टीप्लाइंग फैक्टर लेस देन 1. ओके, बाय व्हाट परसेंट शुड ही मार्कअप द क्लोथ? ओके, मार्कअप द क्लोथ, मार्कअप मतलब जितने का है उससे ज़्यादा प्रिटेंड करना. सो एक्स बाई सपोज 100 मीटर. ओके, 100 है लेकिन उसको मार्कअप करके वो एक्स कर दिया है. क्या है एक्स? विल फाइंड आउट लेटर ऑन. ओके, नॉट इज गिवन दैट ही स्टिल मेक्स अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 8%. ओके, ओवरऑल प्रॉफिट इज व्हाट? इट इज़ 1.08. ओके, नाउ विल सॉल्व फॉर दिस. So on solving this, let me use the calculator. You should use calculator for this. So 1.08 into 100 into 1.25 divided by 9. Okay, so x equal to 150. Okay, so है 100 का, but he is selling at what? He is selling at 150. Okay, so cost price of 100, but he is marking up at 150. Okay, so this is selling price as well. So basically it is of 100, but he is selling at 150. So how much more it is? It is simply 50% more. So 50% more is the answer to this question. Okay, this is a very very important topic. Oh sorry, geometry रह गया यहाँ पे, my bad. Okay, this is a very very important topic. Okay, please do this. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Oh sorry, I hope this is clear now.